The SIM overlay is basically a thin film chip like this, affixed over the SIM card of an operator, put in a phone here, and making a whole ecosystem of a financial transaction environment. Banking, transfers, fund transfers, balance checks, cash withdrawal, wallets, topping up, prepaid accounts, mobile, DTH, going into bill payments. You say what you want, everything is available over here. Merchant payments, individual payments, and the whole works. You can pay from UPI, pay to a UPI, and a lot more.